Today we are going to show you how to install custom fonts on your iPhone. First, you will need a third-party app to download custom fonts. In this video, we will use the Font Diner app. Head to the App Store, search for Font Diner and download it. Once you have downloaded Font Diner, open the app. Tap Activate next to the silverware font set and then tap Agree. After that, choose Install and tap Close. This will add a set of 23 free fonts to your iPhone. If you have a specific font file like TTF, OTF or TTC, you can use the iFont app. Download and open the iFont app. Then follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. Upload the file by tapping the plus icon in the top right corner. Select the file you have downloaded and tap Open. Here, tap on Import. Now, tap on Install. Select Allow. Here, tap on Open Settings. Select Profile Downloaded. Here, tap on Install in top right corner. Enter your device passcode here. Now, simply tap on Install again. Now let's use these custom fonts. Open the Pages app. Create a new document or select an existing one. Tap the paintbrush icon to open the formatting menu. Under Font, scroll to find your custom font and select it. Start typing to see the new font in action. To use custom fonts in apps like Notes, Messages, or social media, you need a specialized keyboard. Download and open the Fonts app. Tap Get Started and follow the setup prompts. Tap on Add Now. Scroll down and select Fonts. Tap Keyboards. And toggle on Fonts and allow full access. Now in any app where you can type, switch to the Fonts keyboard by tapping the globe icon and start typing with your custom fonts. To view or remove installed fonts, go to Settings, tap General and then Fonts. Select My Fonts. Here you can see all the fonts you have installed. To remove a font, tap it and select Remove. You can also remove multiple fonts by tapping Edit and selecting the font you want to delete. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel.